Is this even our house? I'm dying.
I don't even know where to begin. Holy smokes.
It's so fresh. It's lovely. And it feels really natural, like it should have been here all along. It's wild.
Do you remember I mentioned to you that I felt we needed to feel as though we had landed in a foyer? We don't want to put up a wall. I would be putting up the divider.
Yes.
So it gives us exactly what we need. It defines the space, but because it actually has light coming through it, it doesn't take up visual space. The practical side is you have somewhere to put shoes.
I love it. It's great.
Good.
I'm really impressed.
So, of course, the floors are the next big change.
Yeah.
Not just how gorgeous these are, but that they are level.
Oh, yeah.
They're
so level.
Had you forgotten that already?
I did.
I just couldn't
really
take it all
did.
in.
Yeah.
It's level floors.
Yeah.
The floors,
Now
level
let's
doors.
talk about this beautiful space. By anyone's standards, this is a lovely space to sit in.
I feel like I'm in a hotel. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely gorgeous.
So you've got brand new windows, lots of storage underneath here, hidden away. You have this gorgeous, understated fireplace here.
It's modern, it fits our aesthetic.
It
Yeah.
looks great. I can't wait to see the kitchen.
Gorgeous.
This is
Yeah.
a kitchen where two people can cook together. Come and look at what we have. You've got seating for four comfortably here, whether it's you and the family or your guests.
Wow. Spectacular. Absolutely gorgeous.
You have this lovely space here, which I will note doesn't have a sink in it.
Sinkless, but gorgeous.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So here is the sink, which is exactly where you would want it because you're looking out to the garden, which is
Right.
lovely. And then look behind you with your pantries.
It looks, wow. Absolutely beautiful.
You have double width pantry here, and then you've got the slimmer one there.
Yes.
Your fridge is huge. You've got more storage above it.
Something else.
I'm trying not to get too emotional, but it's transformed.
Come
Absolutely.
around here and look at this dining room area.
Oh.
This feels like a restaurant.
Oh, my.
It's gorgeous.
I can't believe it,
I
Hilary.
feel like this is
Right.
spectacular.
Well, we're blown away. I
I'm
think I
blown
could
away.
say.
I'm
Yeah, it's
speechless.
just,
Believe it or not.
Ooh. Wow. That's dramatic. I like it.
It really is very you. It goes with your style.
You done good.
I love it.
Are you ready to go and see your studio?
Yes, please.
So we've already got an I love it.
Good.
Let's see how we go.
You're well on your way.
Oh my gosh, what a great space.
Such a
at the
dramatic
tiles.
change.
Doesn't it seem like a room that you could really hang out in and work in
Oh
now?
my god. I'm like speechless.
So that's really exciting.
I like this gray. Oh my
the walls been
god, what
pushed
a
back?
change.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
So this is for
Clearly,
you.
clearly for somebody.
Let's talk about storage. So have a look.
Whoa.
That's
looks
nice.
That looks great.
Very organized.
Remember, everything
the
was
rundown.
unfinished. So let's go into the bedroom. Your new bedroom.
Wow.
This is a dramatic change.
Look at all the storage.
Take a look at this one. You can use it for your sweaters.
Honestly, storage was a key issue. This will allow me to have everything in one space. This is beautiful. And the light? Oh, I didn't even notice. You did a great job. I love it.
Got a little bench there, place for.
Walter.
Now, very important.
Ah, and on a hot day, that's nice.
You have a very sexy, beautiful wife
I
on
do.
your arm, but you now also have a very sexy
This
entrance.
is a very sexy entrance. This is sexy curb appeal. This is beautiful, Hilary.
Exactly
this is
what you
beautiful.
wanted, girl.
Yeah.
He's smiling and happy even before we open the door.
Yes.
Good start.
It's gorgeous.
Let's go.
All right. Whoa, Shazam.
Come on in.
Whoa.
We are now standing in front of what used to be a window
Yes.
and used to be your dining area.
Yes.
This is now, you can see a really spacious foyer.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes. Oh,
Wow, look
Love
at
it.
that.
It is huge, it is deep.
It's amazing.
We have in-floor heating here.
Really?
Amazing.
Isn't that nice?
Amazing.
Never heard of that.
Brilliant.
That's wonderful.
So far, so good.
Very good.
And now we're going to carry on. You ready?
Ready?
Super ready.
All right, let me
So
do the honors
different.
here. Whoa, look at that.
What?
Unbelievable.
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
the,
It
look at
makes
the
it look
ceiling.
so big. It's the same
Oh
size
my
washroom.
Yeah.
Gosh, it's like 50% bigger. Unbelievable.
Love that.
What? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. You nailed it. You nailed it.
Come all the way in.
Holy
Oh my
Look at that.
You have a wet bar.
That is something.
I love it.
You can have an informal gathering, a cocktail party where this is where everybody stays put. I think you could get 20 people in this room without trying.
This is
Oh, that's
fabulous.
beautiful.
Like every detail, Hilary. Every detail, so perfect.
It's a beautiful room. It truly is.
Oh my goodness. This isn't our place, is it?
gosh.
Incredible.
Let's start with the closets. I think you have enough space.
Oh, this is amazing.
Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Look at the shelving.
There's a place for everything.
Oh, that's amazing. That's
Beautiful.
so good.
It's so
No more
nice.
clutter up front.
So you have new floors everywhere, but this staircase is the first thing you really see.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
It now is beautiful. All right, so we're moving on now, but I'm going to call it Mona's space.
Okay.
This is Mona's space. Ta-da!
Oh, my
my
goodness.
You told me you wanted a library, a quiet room.
my gosh. It's beautiful, Hilary. Oh my gosh. I can't contain myself.
It's peaceful, it's functional.
Stunning.
This is it. This is a perfect spot.
Wow. It is perfect, Hilary.
We're going to go downstairs. It's all about you.
All right, thank you.
All right. We start moving into the true transformation. Okay?
Can I go first?
Wow!
Oh, this is beautiful.
Beautiful. Moving along.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Oh, this is incredible.
Wow.
It's my space.
It's all your space. Yes, this is a hangout space for you. You can watch movies, you can watch sports. I'm not sure, it is big enough, right?
Yes, it is big enough. I didn't think so, but wow.
Here is your new bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Double vanity. Look at the sides of the shower.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, I'm at a loss for words. So.
I know. It's
So let's talk about when you have a guest.
Yeah.
And of course, they need a place to sleep. So let's go look at that.
oh boy.
Oh my goodness. This is so cozy.
Isn't it lovely?
Nice.
Yeah,
You've got a big decision to make.
we do indeed.
We do. Oh, Derek.
Oh my. Look at that.
Oh, and it's so beautiful.
It's fantastic.
The
really
colors, exactly the way we like.
It's very calm.
Yes, we need that.
The fireplace now becoming a thing of beauty that also functions is key to this space because it is your cozy hangout, right?
Yes.
And guests can come in here before you take them for dinner.
Oh, Derek.
Wow. Look at that.
My kitchen.
Wow.
It looks so spacious.
It's amazing, isn't it? You take down a wall and bingo, suddenly you have a place that works. But every single inch of this place has been put to good use. So behind you, you have this lovely display cabinet, storage all the way along the wall. We've got the sliding doors that from here, all you see is the greenery. You have such a beautiful
The
backyard.
winners did not give that to us.
Here's something, pull that out.
Oh my goodness, this
Pull
is
it out with 2
nice.
hands, lift it up. Isn't that good? There you go.
This is mommy making cakes.
Yes.
Oh, I can sell cakes now, Hilary.
There you go. Good.
I can eat cakes.
Yes,
This is beautiful. This is amazing.
there you are.
Oh my goodness.
The children must never see that. It will be a new toy.
Remember what the old kitchen
Remember
looked like?
what
Oh,
was
I remember it very well, hanging off the hinges.
This is gorgeous. I love every single detail about this kitchen.
Beautiful farmhouse sink.
Amazing.
If you do this, it's motion.
Wow.
Did you see that? Oh my God.
High tech.
Isn't it great?
It's high tech that has some character.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
This was a hallway to 2 rooms.
I know.
Yeah, you had a big wall. Look who's speechless.
It's not often. And the stairs are gorgeous. Look at the change.
Everything is brand new. You had a closet, so it always felt narrow and pokey.
This is fantastic.
So now this, it was really a nondescript room.
I love it.
So I think we've doubled up your storage here. Plus
Absolutely.
you've got drawers underneath.
Yes.
You've got a little place here as a workstation.
Perfect.
And of course, powder room.
Oh,
You ready?
can I open it?
Yes, please, go on in.
It's beautiful.
This is in a perfect location.
That is really nice.
I love it.
Speaking of bathrooms, let's go on upstairs.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that is nice.
Oh, Alyssa is going to love this.
Brand new,
It's gorgeous.
very simple.
Oh, yes. Look at all the storage.
Lots of storage in the vanity. It's this lovely, soft, gray-green.
Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh.
And now, let's talk about entertaining. You can have 10 seated comfortably at this table.
Sit down, dinner for 10. Exactly what we're looking for.
It's perfect.
We've put curtains up here so you've got privacy, but you also have the lovely light that comes in.
Love the flooring. It looks so nice.
It just flows right into your living area. And because you no longer have the wall, as part of how it feels so seamlessly one space.
Yeah. Everything flows so nicely together. Amazing. I can't believe it.
Oh. Wow.
Wow. No way. This is not our house.
No, it looks totally different.
Totally not our house. It's stunning.
So this is a very pulled together space, but it's comfortable and it will work definitely for you and the kids.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's amazing.
Can you believe it? I don't know.
I can believe it. You didn't believe it in the
No, I didn't, because who would have thought what we had could look like this?
Now, you needed to be able to have the equivalent of a mudroom. So the important thing is that you're able to put things behind doors.
Wow.
Little area to sit and put shoes on and off. You've got baskets everywhere for storage.
I've never have to see a backpack again.
Exactly.
Wow, you made a completely non-functional space functional.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
I'm so
far, so good.
impressed.
All right. So this is your pantry wall.
Wow.
Wow.
We'll look at that in a minute,
Okay.
but I want you to come
Wow. You're gonna want to see this. Holy cow.
We made these choices to have this kosher life and this kosher home, and it was really hard to do before because everything was always on top of each other. And
in. I don't know how you did it. But you don't have to anymore.
Never again.
All your pots and pans have storage. Look at the drawer systems.
Wow.
That's a
You
good
have
solution.
different prep areas. You have your 2 pantries so that you can store everything separately. Everything is just duplicated.
Wow.
So you can embrace this kosher lifestyle that you chose.
I got nothing to say here. This is amazing.
For me to have a space, it means so much. It's incredible.
And then here we get the place for the family
Yeah,
to
this
gather.
is cool.
Wow.
It is a wow
Yeah.
because of how we've maneuvered walls and structure to give you what you need.
Lots of amazing meals are gonna happen here, so.
Well, the whole thing is about gathering. This is a space now where you can have 16 to 20 people over.
See, I told you she could do it.
I did not think it was possible to go from what we had to this.